Daraga Community College, a college of quality, relevant, and productive education.
Welcome to the biggest community college in Bicol region. Daraga Community College is an institution committed to produce empowered, productive, morally upright, and globally competitive professionals in the field of education.
We are also an institution that provides a safe, caring, disciplined, and stimulating environment in which each individual is challenged and enriched by learning within a culture of mutual respect.
This institution also provides high-quality education to each student to fully develop his knowledge, desirable values, and skills of learning.
Daraga Community College also prepares each student for a fulfilling, happy, and successful life as an active citizen in a globally and sustainable society. So, what are you waiting for? Come and join us! Be part of the Pandayan ng Pangarap!
Daraga Community College as a higher education institution is equipped with facilities that would help you acquire the target competencies while having fun. The classrooms are conducive to learning.
Are you a wide reader? Well, Daraga Community College Library might be a comfortable place for your heart. It has all the books needed in your subject area and other literature that will surely develop passion of reading among learners.
If you are a sport enthusiast and has passion in performing arts, welcome to the Physical Education Group. It is complete and facilities that will better enhance the talent and passions of the Dicomsinians.
The ongoing construction of the covered court will also add up to the facilities that the students can use in programs, co-curricular and extracurricular activities.
Daraga Community College amidst pandemic is in continuous progress, serving light and hope for the sake of quality education.
Dicomsinians are known to be the biggest delegate participating in various events in the community. This is where we show and practice the value of creating harmonious relationship with one another. Daraga Community College is also an institution known for continuously giving honor to the municipality of Daraga. Plethora of Dicomsinian graduates are now part of Department of Education. Daraga Community College also produces top notchers like Mr. Alvin Naag, who was a 6th placer in the 2014 licensure examination for teachers and is now teaching in our institution. Are you going to be the next top notcher?
The institution alone will not survive the waves of the time without the people who keep its foundation strong and firm. Salute to the dedicated teachers and staff in making sure that the students are receiving the quality education they need. And amidst pandemic, the service is continuous. We are using both a synchronous and synchronous form of modality.
The College Dean and College Administrator of the Daraga Community College are also approachable and student-friendly.
Dagos mo kamo sa Daraga Community College.
See, the success of any institution comes from the people that compose it.
Daraga Community College offers Bachelor of Elementary Education, Bachelor of Physical Education, Bachelor of Culture and Arts Education, and Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English, Mathematics, Science, Filipino, Values Education, and Social Studies. Choose a course that your heart desires.
Daraga Community College is a school that develops passion in service. As you become part of the Pandayan ng Pangarap, you can join the different organizations such as College Student Council, English Club, Filipino Club, Science Club, Mathematics Club, PE Club, USSM, first year to fourth year federated.
Amidst the pandemic, the services of our student leaders are unstoppable. We have a lot of activities such as outreach program, virtual contests, and webinars.
I know you're interested. So, here are the process and requirements on how to be part of the Pandayan ng Pangarap. For grade 12 students school year 2020 to 2021, Step 1. Visit Daraga Community College Facebook page and download the application form.
Step 2. Fill up the DCOMC application form. Paste your 1x1 ID colored picture on the right side on the top of the application form. Attach your e-signature above your printed name on the application form.
Step 3. Send to dcomc.guidance21@gmail.com the scanned copies or the following. First, the accomplished application form. Second, the grade 11 first SEM and second SEM grades. Third, the grade 12 first SEM grades. And lastly, the certification from your senior high school principal that you are graduating this academic year 2020 to 2021.
For the graduates of senior high school, you have to follow the Step 1 and Step 2. In Step 3, submit the following scanned copies: your accomplished application form and your senior high school report card, and send it to dcomc.guidance21@gmail.com.
The same process from Step 1 and Step 2 will be taken by the graduates of old curriculum. In Step 3, they will be submitting the scanned copies of the accomplished application form and high school report card in the same Gmail account mentioned earlier.
After all the process being done, wait for the results of the assessment, which will be posted on the DCOMC websites before the enrollment for school year 2021 to 2022. Some applicants will be advised to report in DCOMC in small groups on the scheduled dates of their entrance examination.
And since Daraga Community College is practicing the virtue of consideration in times of pandemic, those students who cannot submit their requirements online, do not worry. DCOMC got you. You can just compile your documents in a long brown envelope and drop it in the drop box at the DCOMC guardhouse. And for more information, you can visit the DCOMC websites.
The walk-in applicants who are visiting Daraga Community College must observe health guidelines and protocols. Wear face masks, face shield, and proper dress code. Sanitize yourself. Check your temperature. Write your information in the logbook. Observe social distancing. Always remember, prevention will always be better than cure.
Don't hesitate! Enroll now!
Daraga Community College,